Quantum Workplace is a product company, and so we practice what I consider modern product development.
So basically we optimize user experience for users who are looking for HR software for their company.
This is where the magic happens. This is where we make those tough decisions, where we have those tough conversations and decide the future of the industry, if you will, the future of employee success, the future of employee talent solutions. That's basically what we do. We're the cooks in the kitchen.
That means that we work in small cross-functional teams and within a problem space that lets each of those squads really get to know the customers and the pain points that they have at a deep level.
I think successful product roles at Quantum Workplace are, it's not necessarily just checking all the boxes to like finish a task or build out a feature. It's thinking like an investor. It's like you are empowered to make investments in our product, and that's ultimately what you're doing. At the end of the day, it's about creating the best experience for our customer, and you might stumble upon things that allow you to do that more efficiently, or just maybe you need to make a deeper investment.
My favorite part about working at Quantum Workplace is working with others and building that team atmosphere. But also we do have happy hours and after work activities. That way you get to know your other coworkers and you build that friend plus coworker relationship.
We're asking ourselves tough questions every single day. There's not a day where we really say, I didn't get anything done. Even if there's nothing being shipped that day, you know that conversations and decisions are being made that are impacting not only the future of our product, but the future of our industry. We're setting the standard, and that is something worth commending.